doTERRA Dawn Humidifier, and it is the first humidifier that doTERRA has come out with. Most people try to connect with me and say, what oils can I put in my humidifier for when my child or my baby is congested? Well, the answer is none, because you're not typically supposed to, but now we have a design that allows for this. So you'd fill it up, you don't even have to remove the top, but you fill through there. There is a max fill line here. It holds quite a bit of water. You'd add 10 to 15 drops of doTERRA essential oil in there. I would not diffuse any other oil in there. If there's congestion concerns, I would look at Easy Air or Breathe or eucalyptus as an option. And then you can control the level of humidity that comes out, so different settings. And when you put it on the night setting, it gives you the ideal amount of humidity. So it maintains, I think it's a 60% humidity level. So it's really low noise, you can't hear anything. Right now you probably hear my fish tank in the background, but it automatically adjusts to maintain the most comfortable humidity through the night, all at a super low noise level. You can run up to 22 hours, easily disassembles for cleaning, and you add water and oils without having to remove the lid. So great, 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 great. Super excited about this, especially for parents or people with respiratory challenges. This is the Dawn Humidifier, and I'm so excited about it.